A common thing we hear at Evergreen is people call us up and say, I want to join your credit program so I can raise my credit score and get a new credit card and pay off debt. So they think about the credit scoring as the way out of debt. And after hundreds and hundreds of thousands of people going through our program, we've learned that that is the opposite of what you should do. You want to get rid of your debt first in an ethical and dignified way, using the laws to our advantage on how to get rid of debt. Because once you do that, it's easy to rebuild the credit. And here's why. Most people that come to us are not able to pay off their debt in 2 years. And that's the rule of thumb. Can you pay off your debt in 2 years with your income where it is? Now, a lot of people say, but I'm gonna make more money next year, or I'm gonna get an inheritance or whatever. Don't think like that. You do not want to think about paying off your debt if you make money, if you get an inheritance, or taking money out of 401k, none of that stuff. So if you can't pay off your debt in 2 years, you don't want to think about your credit score first. You want to get rid of the debt first, right? And that's when you go through our first course, you're going to learn about budgeting. You're going to learn about your debt options. After you get rid of your debt, it's easy to rebuild your credit score. Now, I want to point something out. I don't care if you have 50 late payments. I don't care if you had a bankruptcy on your credit report, foreclosure, a short sale. You can rebuild your credit by rebuilding around the bad credit. Common question we get, well, how do I rebuild around the bad credit if I have late payments or bankruptcies or whatever? Because we have access to credit cards that approve people to have bad credit. Once your credit score gets to 720, you're going to cancel the credit cards and get normal credit cards, so you're not paying high fees. This is all part of the plan we use to help people get rid of their debt and rebuild their life afterwards. Our goal at Evergreen is to help you navigate, right? Okay, I got rid of debt. Now, great. Now, how do I raise my credit score to get a better car or better car loan? How to raise my credit score so I can buy a home, buy an investment property. Yes, this is what our clients do. This is what Evergreen Financial Counseling does. We are a nonprofit helping people like you change their vision and understanding about that so they can rebuild their life and break the cycle with their family so their kids never experience what you've experienced.